I'm having too much fun now. Let's check out these cool Play-Doh circles with toy surprises. Kicking off with the pink egg.
Here comes the surprise.
3, 2, 1.
It's Spongebob in his swimming gear. Give the video a thumbs up if you like Spongebob. Who might be in the green surprise?
Here comes the surprise.
3, 2, 1.
It's Princess Ariel from The Little Mermaid. Have you watched The Little Mermaid? Comment below on your favourite character. Right, my favourite Little Mermaid character is, and tell me. Who is the next surprise choice?
Here comes the surprise.
3, 2, 1.
It's a Polly Pocket Sparkling Pet. She's number 43. If you like Polly Pocket, comment, I like Polly Pocket. And I'll add more of my collection to some videos. Up next, let's check out the orange Play-Doh circle.
Here comes the surprise.
3, 2, 1.
It's an original Series 2 Squinky. It's number 18. Let's try purple.
Here comes the surprise.
3, 2, 1.
It's Raccoon from Trash Pack. He's number 291 from Series 2. The yellow egg could be someone fun.
Here comes the surprise.
3, 2, 1.
It's Fillmore from Disney Cars 2. I'm having too much fun now. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the Having Too Much Fun Now YouTube channel and you won't miss the next video.